Fortunately, it's coming.
Still looking around the nation.
And we have a lot to talk about.
A couple of very interesting things.
Strange weather patterns happening.
But you've got to stay vigilant on that.
Heavy rain, frequent lightning.
Then, here it comes.
Check, check.
A very dynamic weather pattern.
Gets uglier as time goes on.
Spring snowstorm. There's severe weather.
We'll see a clipper system roll through.
There's going to be some snow going on.
It's not over just yet.
Here it comes. Goodness gracious, I thought my windows were going to blow out on my house yesterday.
And then the bottom falls out here as we head into Sunday.
It's a true cold shot.
Check, check.
Impressive.
Here come the changes once again.
This is a true shot of cold air.
Arctic air coming back, winter returning.
It is a fresh injection of cold air.
Part of the polar vortex extends south toward Hudson Bay.
This is just going to be downright nasty. Nasty weather. Windy, cold, snow flurries, not April weather, all right? Strange weather patterns.
Check, check.
Happening.
Leaving nearly 1/3 of the country wondering if spring has really sprung.
Anyway,
Flood threat renewed. Keep in mind, there's been a lot of rain here along the Gulf Coast.
Who is ready for a taste of winter? Well, no one is. Unfortunately, it's coming. So that's the area Monday night and Tuesday. No, I don't know how much. Not yet. Impressive.
All right. You know, the weather's trying to rearrange itself, get out of this El Nino to La Nina and all this stuff going on. You know, get the volcano up there in Alaska spilling stuff. So,
all right. That is a nice injection of cold air. This is going to be biting cold. You have the wind, temperatures about 10 degrees below normal. Then we have problems as we head into Monday and Tuesday. This front stalls, dip in the jet stream, allows the storm to form, and that moves to the north and east.
tomorrow, this is a really kind of what we call a dirty warm-up.
This is going to be biting cold. You have the wind, temperatures about 10 degrees below normal. Then we have problems as we head into Monday and Tuesday. This front stalls, dip in the jet stream, allows the storm to form, and that moves to the north and east.
Stay cool. Thor News is for winners, and that's why you're here. So stick around. Hit the button, baby. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents Party Dance Time. Okie dokie, Captain Smoke It. It would appear the United States of America is going to get hit with the wild, weird, severe weather on all four corners of our nation. That's right, we got polar vortexes doing an April plunge later this week. The Gulf states, which have been inundated with unwanted mass flooding, will be getting a lot more rain this week. Severe thunderstorms and tornadoes will target the middle of America. The upper west coast will be getting a fresh blast of cold and unsettled weather. They'll swing through the west and head on down. So the sun's freaking out, which means the weather's going to freak out, which means people are going to freak out. So stay cool, man. Because even if the whole brick shit house is going up in flames, it's best to just always be cool and stay cool. Because who you are, the essence of your soul and character, will stay with you through eternity. So try and be cool, man. You know? I'll now turn it over to my fine collection of weathermen and ladies to fill you in on the action. Okay, cool. Peace out. God bless everyone.
Then, here it comes. All right.
It's not over just yet.
Yes, it's going to get cold again, and there might be some snow coming too. Oh, my goodness gracious. Winter does not want to give up the ground. Well, let's look at this. You're not going to like it. You're not going to like it.
Looking ahead to Thursday is where we do see the return of our wet weather.
And there could be some frisky storms all up and down the front.
We'll see those showers extend as far east as western Kentucky, central Tennessee, and even down into central portions of Alabama and northwestern Florida.
Gulf moisture going to really enhance these storms, and we're looking at steady, soaking downpours from the Tennessee Valley south towards the Gulf region, pressing as far east as the Atlanta area and as far west as the Louisiana-Texas border here around the Shreveport region. So,
well, a little bit of snow comes out through the plains into the Great Lakes.
And what we have going on are strong winds, large hail, flooding rain, and tornadoes possible.
The severe risk is in play from Nashville south through Tallahassee, and it's not unlikely that we could see more scenes like this play out. Usually when we see a tornado, we see the funnel, we see debris on the ground. Look at the little vortices that are spinning up in this thing, though. You don't always see that because you have too much. Oh, that's so great. Let's take a look at the damage that it caused, because there were several roofs that were damaged. We had a church that was damaged, so it's a moment for science.
In addition to the strong to severe thunderstorms, we have the risk for localized flooding.
the next front approaches with a large area of rain,
And so between the powerful storms and the heavy downpours, travel going to be a mess across this area. Then we'll see the storm system track east towards the afternoon and evening, impacting the I-95, Bangor, Boston, New York, Philly, D.C., and Richmond.
What you're going to do is you're going to get this piece of energy coming down.
Cold kicking in on
Friday, it appears that system is then moving to the east coast and offshore.
just kind of dreary and murky out there.
Look at this trough, deep trough. Look at that.
Our storm system going to continue to shift offshore. Still rain and drizzle for many of the major cities.
But the cold front associated with this storm is going to start pressing east, and by Friday, that is moving along the 95 corridor. Get ready for some rain and drizzle on Friday, and that's going to pull the trough south even more. Dark blue shading across northern New England, 20 degrees below normal. You add that wind, it is a true taste of winter.
Believe me, it's going to be cold here by the weekend.
I mean, we couldn't get a trough like this all winter. We're getting it in April. Impressive. But this cold is coming. It's a true cold shot. Who is ready for a taste of winter? Well, no one is. Unfortunately, it's coming.
Well, looking around the nation.
And we have a lot to talk about.
A couple of very interesting things.
Strange weather patterns happening.
But you've got to stay vigilant on that.
Heavy rain, frequent lightning.
Then, here it comes.
Check, check.
A very dynamic weather pattern.
Gets uglier as time goes on.
Spring snowstorm. There's severe weather.
We'll see a clipper system roll through.
There's going to be some snow going on.
It's not over just yet.
Here it comes.
Goodness gracious, I thought my windows were going to blow out of my house yesterday.
And then the bottom falls out here as we head into Sunday.
It's a true cold shot.
Check, check.
Impressive.
Here come the changes once again.
This is a true shot of cold air.
Arctic air coming back, winter returning.
It is a fresh injection of cold air.
Part of the polar vortex extends